you doing? My name is Julie, and I want to welcome you to my channel. And this is my work in progress video to show you what I've got done for works in progresses. But as always, first I'll show you what I have finished, and I have quite a bit this time around that's finished. We are going to start off. This is what I refer to as my any which way scarf. I had a cowl started, I think, in my last video, and I had frogged it and made it into the scarf instead. It's pretty much, I started this is probably where the beginning was. Let's see if it's upside down. I would start, and then I would like turn it to its side, then work a couple rows, and then turn it to another side and work a couple rows. So I have several projects like that, but pretty much, yeah, I would work for a bit, turn it on its side, work it for like a row, at least in this case only maybe one, turn it to another side, work a couple more rows, and single crochet. Makes it kind of interesting. I don't think it's quite as long as a scarf, considering that I had already used this yarn to make a hat and some mittens. Now it has a scarf. So if you see my last video, you must know that I had finished this basket for Mystery Yarn Challenge 11/22, hosted by Armchair Chef. See, I already have it full of yarn goodies in it already, so already gone to good use. So if you get a chance, check out that video. Let's see. Oh. This is my weekly crochet tutorial this past week. It is this frilly boa scarf. So that's my tutorial. So I hope you get a chance to check that out. And in that tutorial, I had shown how to do two colors. And I didn't have enough to make a full scarf, and I ended up making this cute little doll with it. Thumbnail. Okay, what else I got? Oh, made me another snowman as a Christmas gift. So I do have a tutorial for this snowman. Well, this time around I decided to put safety eyes, little safety eyes for its little mouth. It's supposed to replicate like little coal for its mouth. Let's see what else I have. I think one more item. If you remember, I had a stroller caddy. That is now done. So that will probably be for my daughter, for her stroller. So that is it for my finished projects. Let us show you what I have for work in progress. Yeah, you know, I'm starting up with this. I had another knitted project that I had started, but I had ended up frogging that one too. I just took it out. I didn't think it was gonna be long enough. I didn't have enough yarn to make, I think it was supposed to be a headband, a knitted headband, but that yarn is now into my scrap yarn blanket. I'm gonna try to get this done by the end of the year. No guarantees, but I will try to get this done. But it's getting there. I think I did a few more rows this past week. Let's see. Oh, this is that jacket that I'm making for my, my jacket that I'm making for my grandson. So I'm hoping that's gonna fit him. Okay. And this is the next tutorial I'm working on. It is a knitted drop stitch shawl pattern. I am not sure if the video will be done. I don't know if I'll have the shawl done before the video goes out. Not the first time that I had put out a video before the actual project is done. But so if you knit, it's pretty easy. It's like a drop stitch. It kind of works a little bit faster, and I am using, let's see if I got a yarn. I'm using the rainbow cotton. I'm already using the rainbow cotton yarn for this, though that's not initially what I was going to make a bag with it, but I know sometimes change of plans. Decide to do this. I already had the frog part of it ready because there was a knot in the yarn. I hate when there's knots in the yarn. I had initially got this yarn, I just knitted through it, and then I changed my mind. I'm like, nope, I need to pull it back out and take out the knot in the project. Because who knows, in the future that knot could have came loose and it would have ruined the project. So I think that covers all my works in progress for this week. So look, I only have 3 again. I said I had a lot of finished projects this week too. So, well, that is all I have. I want to thank you for watching, and if you did like, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.